How to delete your Google Maps history. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you're going to go on Google Maps on your mobile. Then you're going to go on your profile option that is located up above. Click on that. And over here you have all this data. You're going to go to the settings option. And over in the settings option you have all these kinds of options, and there is an option of map history. You are going to go on the map history option. Let it load for some time because it may take some time to open. Now as it open, I will be able to see all the restaurants or all the Google Maps that I have found over here. Now there is an option of delete. I have to click on delete, and I can delete it on custom range, or I can delete it all the time, or I can delete it today. This is how I can delete my Google Maps history on my Google Maps. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.